The demise of your father, Ustad Sardul ji,
Ji.
who was a legendary singer,
Thank you.
it kind of, it was a huge loss to the Punjabi music industry. And how has your life changed after that? And is there some kind of pressure that you both have to carry forward or enhance your family's musical legacy?
See, the pressure was always there. Even if he's not here today physically with us, even when he was, the pressure was always there in a way that it's Sardul and Nouri's kids, they have to do something in music. They're supposed to do something. It's like we had no other choice but to be in music. I wanted to be a pilot, he wanted to be a doctor. We couldn't be having those goals, honestly, in a way that it was not our parents forcing us into it. It was their beloved audience which was expecting it. So in a way that we always had this pressure, and I'm glad the audiences had this expectation from us, which kind of pushed us towards music. But I mean, since his passing, obviously personally your life changes a lot when you lose such an integral part of your life which your whole life relies on. My father obviously has been the most influential person on this planet Earth, not for just us, but a generation of singers, a generation of musicians. I mean, tell me one person who does not love Sardul Sikandar. Tell me one person who doesn't know about Sardul Sikandar and belongs to Punjabi industry. And tell me one person who doesn't enjoy his music. So once you lose such a big character, such a big influence and such a big presence in your life, you obviously need for it to be filled with something and by someone. So the pressure now has been tripled. First it was a pressure of two different factors, that not just my dad but also my mom is a singer and an actress. So her fans need to be satisfied with whatever we do. Dad's fans need to be satisfied with whatever we do. But now since Dad's passing, I guess people expect us to take that throne, which is impossible to do. Sarang says a very beautiful thing, which I would ask him to actually say it here as well. It's a very big factor.
It's a fact that nobody thinks about, that if I'm 28 years old right now, and when my father was 28 years old, when he was my age, I think his riyaz, his way of singing was different. And when he was 60 years old, his riyaz was legendary.
Obviously.
It was legendary, and people worshipped him for what he sings, and that nobody can sing like him. It's a legendary riyaz, है ना? And then he's like, damn, he's number one, whatever, है ना? लोग कहते सीगे. But now, in the age of 28, I have to show the age of 60 years of Sardul Sikandar in my voice that people are expecting.
Which is physically impossible.
Which is not even possible.
It's physically impossible. It's universally impossible to deliver something that is so up high, right up there in the alley, which is so far away from you. And
even if we try 100 times a day, if we do riyaz 1,000 times a day, this is impossible.
ਅਸੀਂ ਔਲਾਦ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਸਰਦੂਲ ਸਿਕੰਦਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣ ਸਕਦਾ. Not just because of the respect and the humbleness or whatever you want to call it, just with the physical and just this universal fact that he was himself and nobody could become him, and not even his own kids or sons are even remotely capable enough of becoming as good as him.
And nobody can. If someone would say कि यार वो था ना Sardul साहब वर्गा गाता है. First of all, this term is wrong. Secondly, I myself am saying that if someone tells me कि पाजी थोड़ी आवाज़ च ना उना वर्गा जादू, है ना, कान फाड़ के कहने नहीं, this is wrong, because वो जादू एक ही बंदे कोल सी, वो खुद आप सीगे. एंड जिहड़ी गल हैगी कि भी ਮੇਰੇ 28 ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਉਮਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਬੰਦਾ 60 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਰਦੂਲ ਸਿਕੰਦਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਹੈ
ਜਾਂ ਲੱਭ ਰਿਹਾ
ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਸੋਚਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੰਪੇਅਰ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਪਏ ਹਾਂ। ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਫਸਟ ਜਾਂ ਸੈਕੰਡ ਗ੍ਰੇਡ ਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਫਸਟ ਸੈਕੰਡ ਕਲਾਸ ਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ PhD ਵਾਲੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਪੇਅਰ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਯਾਰ ਤੂੰ ਉਹਦਾ ਲੈਸਨ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਕੇ ਸੁਣਾ।
ਐਂਡ ਇਟਸ ਫਿਜ਼ੀਕਲੀ ਇੰਪੋਸੀਬਲ। ਸੋ ਦ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਇਜ਼
ਪੀਪਲ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਅੰਡਰਸਟੈਂਡ ਕਿ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ ਉਨੇ ਕੁ 'ਚ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕਰ ਲੈਣ ਹਲੇ।
The thing is, we're not actually forcing this idea upon them. We just need their support. Sanu ki hai ki whatever they give us, whatever support they present us with, whatever enthusiasm they push us with, that's more than enough. So personally, I would speak on his behalf as well, that we both request all the fans from Dad and Mom's circle to first of all accept.
We'll try our best.
Yeah, to accept our efforts. First of all, to accept our efforts.
Yes.
And then appreciate the hard work that we have done for it. And we promise that we are not backing off from this. We promise that one day, maybe one day, we might not be able to become, we definitely might not be able to become Sardool Sikandar, but we sure as hell are going to try.
To sound a little like him.
Maybe sound just a tiny bit like him, or maybe walk on his footsteps.
Because we say we cannot be 1%, even 1% like him, because he was 100% complete, and his 1% could make a normal person 100% artist.
Kya baat hai? Yeah.
This
is how big he was.
So, I think I should say he is.
And he will be.
Yeah.
So that factor
Sardool
is
Sikandar is not just an artist. He's now today, he is a genre. He's a genre.
वो आज भी सबके दिल में जिंदा है और उन्होंने कहा था कि सिकंदर कोई इंसान नहीं होता, वक्त सिकंदर होता है।
दुनिया में सिकंदर कोई नहीं, हाँ वक्त सिकंदर होता है। He used to say that all the time. So yeah, I mean, on to his words.
So we want people to support our music, and we're not doing any stupid, aajkal jo chalda, not that stuff.
We're going to be staying away from whatever people don't like.
Yeah.
Because obviously whatever people don't like is similarly something we don't want to give them, because
we're not even doing very cliche stuff, and we're not even doing something that sounds
too offensive, too borderline violent.
No, not just that. Not just only this. Outdated. We're not doing something outdated. Yes.
Yeah. So we're trying to keep up with the time
and the lyrics,
and we're also trying to keep up with whatever we were given.
Yes.
Yeah.